After firing his lawyers last month, Thomas Beaucamp's day in court has finally arrived. He's a young man accused of kidnapping a young Lubbock girl 2 years ago who he claims he's still madly in love with.
Yeah, KLBK's Skylar Soto was in court for us today. Skylar, tell us what happened in day one.
Terry, before the trial started, Thomas Beaucamp entered a plea of not guilty to kidnapping charges and is representing himself in court with the help of a public defender. And Beaucamp is helping seat the jury and questioning witnesses, including the victim's dad.
This is a look at what Thomas Beaucamp looked like in court today, dressed in a suit and seemed to know a little about the law. The federal judge paying close attention all day, stopping Beaucamp from crossing any lines in court. During opening arguments, the U.S. Attorney's Office says Beaucamp had been talking to the 14-year-old girl at least 4 months before he picked her up outside her school here in Lubbock and drove her to his home in Michigan. They say he manipulated her and talked her into running away with him. The U.S. Attorney's also telling jurors detectives found chats between the two following her disappearance, where they discovered an email address and phone number connected to him. Using that evidence, officers tracked Beaucamp down in Michigan and rescued the young girl who had his DNA all over her. During Beaucamp's opening statements, he told jurors the girl ran away from home because, quote, she didn't want to be in that environment. He said they bonded over disturbing and gory images online, which then led to a sexual relationship, adding he loved her and still does, and told jurors he would marry her if he could. The victim's father then took the stand, where he explained how he found explicit images on her phone and computer before her disappearance. He then discovered her baby blanket and debit card gone and knew she intentionally left. One of her classmates was then called to the stand, who testified the victim did not get on the bus that day like she normally would and took a picture of her. Another classmate's mom then saw the victim getting in a red car. Finally, an LPD detective took the stand explaining the online evidence and messages between Beaucamp and the girl, where he threatened to kill her and her family.
Beaucamp is facing charges of transportation of a minor with intent to engage in sexual conduct, travel with a minor for sexual conduct, enticement of a minor, receipt of child porn, cyberstalking, and production of child porn. The trial resumes in the morning, and the judge is expecting it to wrap up by Friday. Ma'am.
Skylar, thank you.